How to trim videos on Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you how you can trim video for Instagram story. But before we start this video, I simply want to tell you that Instagram doesn't give the direct option to trim the video on the Instagram story. But there are some roundabout ways from which we can trim the video and post it on Instagram story. Now with that being said, let's get started. So first thing first, open up your Instagram app. Make sure that you are logged in with your Instagram account. Once you have opened the Instagram app, simply tap on the plus icon on the bottom center of the screen. Now once you get the interface like this, you simply need to tap on the post on the bottom screen. And now here you can select the video that you want to post on Instagram story. And once you are done selecting the video, simply tap on next. And here on the another page, you will find the editing option. Simply tap on the edit video button on the bottom left corner. Now use your finger to drag the start and the end point of the timeline to select the part of video you want to keep. Watch the preview above to make sure it's exactly how you want it. And note that if your video is longer than 15 seconds, then Instagram will automatically split it into the multiple story clips. You can still trim each segment individually by repeating the same steps. And once you are happy with your trimmed video, simply go back. And once you get an interface like this, simply search for the download option on the bottom of the screen. And once you found it, simply tap on it and the pop-up menu will appear. From there, simply tap on Save to Camera Roll and this cut video will be saved to the gallery. Now, to post this stream video on your story, what you have to simply do is go back to the main screen of the Instagram, and once you are in the main interface of the Instagram, simply tap on Add to Story and select the trim video that you have trimmed before. After selecting it, simply tap on share button and confirm it. And yeah, that's it. You have successfully trimmed and shared your Instagram story. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.